Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to swap on Jupiter Dex. In order to do this, you just have to select that particular wallet that supports the Solana network. For that, you can either use the Trust wallet or you can even use the Phantom wallet. So for this video, I have selected Phantom wallet. So you will have to launch your Phantom wallet, and then on the home page, you need to make sure that you have enough Solana in your account to bear the gas fees or the transaction fees. So over here you will have to tap on the browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you will be landed on this apps section. Now over here in the search bar you can search for Jupiter, or most of the time you are going to see Jupiter website over here. So you need to tap on the Jupiter option and then you will be redirect on Jupiter's page. Now over here the first thing that you need to do is to simply connect your Phantom wallet with Jupiter. In order to do this, you will have to click on the connect button in the top right hand corner of the screen, and after that you need to tap on Phantom. Then you need to tap on the connect button in the bottom, and after the successful connection of your Phantom wallet with Jupiter, you can start the swapping process. So in order to do this, you will have to first select the coin that you want to swap. For that, you will have to tap on this drop arrow button, and here you are going to see a bunch of different coins that you can choose. You can even use this search bar in the top and you can select your coin. After selecting the token, in the receive section, you will have to select that coin in which you want to get your token. So let's say you want to get it in Solana. So you just have to tap on the drop arrow button, and after that you will have to tap on Solana. Or if you want to use any other coin, then you can even select it in the receive section. After that you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer or swap. After that you are going to see a swap option in the bottom, so you need to tap on the swap option, and after that you just have to conclude your transaction, and this way you will be able to easily swap on Jupiter Dex. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.